What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video. And today, you guys, okay, we have a little surprise. And my little surprise cannot wait because my little surprise is impatient. So without further ado, I want to tell you guys, I miss you guys so much. Drop comments down below, and let me know if you miss me. And we have a co-host on our channel now, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys ready? You ready? Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Alton. Oh, say hi, Alton. His name is Alton. Say hi. How are you? Oh, you shy. You a shy little boy. He has on socks because he's so tiny that every time he runs, he falls face forward. And I feel so bad for him. I feel so bad for him. I hope we're not overexposed. Ooh, we don't want to be underexposed. Oh man, no, auto. Yes, we want it on auto. But anyway, so he has on socks, and here's his little t-shirt with the lightning bolt, and it's so adorable. And he's pretty much famous. So drop comments and say hi, Alton. How are you? And so I have a setup here, basically kind of like a streaming setup. This is our first attempt at it, so we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, I'm gonna let this one go and run. Oh, you finally got one of your sockies off. Oh, well, I'm not gonna let him go run around. Oh, okay, I'll let you go run around. You gotta be careful, okay? It's because his paws have fur on them, and so he slides when he runs, and so that's why he has to wear his socks. What are you thinking, buddy? What do you want to do? He's already eaten, and he's gotten taken care of. You want to play? He just wants to play. Okay. Go play. He's not fully house trained yet, so I always get nervous letting him out of my sight. He is insisting on playing with my cats, and my boy cat is like, I don't know about that. My girl cat likes him, but she still doesn't like him enough to play with him. And then earlier he was running, and I was in the kitchen, and he just fell face forward and bumped his little face on the floor, and I felt so bad for him. So luckily he likes to eat my toes. Anyways, how are you guys doing? I'm doing all right. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that the stream is working correctly, and then we're gonna get into our video. I'm also gonna go put this little boy down, probably for like a nap or something, because he's very hyper. I don't know what to do. I'm still trying to learn his schedule, and every time, like probably about like 45 minutes ago, okay, he's laying down. He's really well behaved, but probably about 45 minutes ago, I was about to start filming, and I totally forgot. I swear, you guys, this is the first time since I've had him. I forgot I had a puppy. And so I was about to start filming, and then it just dawned on me because I went to the bathroom, and I was like, oh, there's a puppy in here. So I remembered that I have a puppy, and then I remembered I had to take him for a potty break because I was going for a potty break. And then we came in, and we tried these socks on, and then he wanted to play and everything. But it looks like right now he's going to relax at my feet. So he has just gotten to the point where he's able to be out, and like I feel a little comfortable, but I'm still like, I have to trim his hair on his feet tomorrow, so he won't be like sliding everywhere. Alton, come here. Come here, Alton. You can do it. You can do it. And he's teething. He barely has teeth. So, all right, I'm going to check this, and then we're going to get into the next scene. I got to make sure everything is doing what it's supposed to do. So I'll be right back, y'all. All right, you guys, it looks like everything is going all right. So we're going to go ahead and get into the video. By the way, guys, if you haven't already watched my reaction to my nail room tour, my original nail room tour, then go ahead. I did leave it right there. You can see it. You could see it right there. You see it right there? I left the thumbnail on the screen so that you can easily see what the thumbnail looks like, so that you can go scroll on my videos and you can find it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for always tuning into my videos. Thank you so much for showing all of your love and your support. Thank you guys for reaching out to me to check on me during my time away. I'm doing just fine. I'm doing all right. I'm getting all of my cords eaten by a little baby fur ball. Baby fur ball. Come here, baby fur ball. And you know what I love about like kittens and puppies is that they don't know what their shadow is, and they always try to beat up their shadow. Alton. Oh no, I'll be right back. Be sure to subscribe, by the way. Alton says subscribe for more views of this beautiful coat. Nah, I'm just kidding. All right, you guys. Hi, Alton. Hi, boy. Hi, you want to bark? Can you talk too? You say, arp, arp. Can you barky? Can you barky? He doesn't talk a lot yet, and we have to train him. I am trying to teach him how to stand on two. But yeah, that's all we got so far. Anyways, you guys, all right, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alton, you want to get your nails done? Would you like to get your nails done, sir? All right, you gonna jump down? Can you do it? Alton! Oh my. He wasn't. Hold on. Alton, are you? I didn't expect him to do it, and he did it, and I kind of was holding him a little. That's why he didn't fall exactly how he imagined. Alton? Alton? Oh my God. Filming with the puppy. Okay, guys. Thank you for bearing with me. Alrighty, so here's Alton's blanket. Moving it on out the way. Oh yeah, by the way, that reminds me. Moving it over there because we have stuff we need to unbox. So that just reminded me that yeah, we're doing unboxings today, guys. So I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for joining me. This is going to probably be a pretty long video. I have plenty to show you. I know I said plenty, but I really mean it. So we got another package from Maniology. Shout out to Maniology. If you see me looking over here awkwardly, it's because I'm just trying to make sure that everything is correct. And it looks like it's going good so far. So far, so good. I'm enjoying that. All right. So let me double check before I unbox, okay? Hold on, y'all. Okay, it looks like everything is going well. So yeah, shout out to me. All right, so we have a beautiful package from Maniology. They reached out to me, and they really want me to learn. Oh, they are so adorable. Thank you so much. It even has a little Maniology logo. That is so legit. That is so cute. Oh, I love surprises like that. They really want me to learn how to do this because girlfriend. So here we have, this one is called, hold on, y'all. What did I do with that paper? Don't judge me. It's called Kiss a Shark. This is what this nail plate is called. It's called Kiss a Shark. I really want to learn to do nail stamping the way the pros do it. I don't know why. We're going to get on here. Now that I got my setup set up, we're going to get on here and we're going to learn how to do stamping like a pro, because there's people who know how to do it like pros, and I want to know how to do it like a pro. Unless that's just a scam, let me know. But yeah. So anyways, and then we also have the Sunrays 3-piece summer stamping polish set. Shout out again to Maniology. Their Instagram is at Hello Maniology. I'm almost sure. And honestly, from the first time I ever used them, which was like during quarantine, because there was like an ad on Facebook for like a free stamping plate or something. From the first time I ever used them until now, they have definitely evolved. Oh yeah, shout out to my nails, you guys. They looking busted. busted. But yeah, that's neither here nor there. That's neither here nor there. Alright, cool. I am interested to see how this is going to work. This is supposed to be stamping polish. This one, there's that one. There's this one. Fish scale, seaweed, and sandbar. And this is set number 071. I'm almost sure I have a 10% discount code. I'll leave it down in the description. I put it down in the down in. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. All right, so I will leave that down below. But y'all, I'm really excited about this. But I gotta be honest, you guys. Almost nothing gets me more excited than what I'm about to unbox next. And should I just do a different video? I guess I have no choice. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Shout out to Maniology. Shout out to y'all. Thank you so much. Tune in for part 2. I'm gonna post all of them back to back to back, but I want to give the next brand their proper platform, and I want to give Maniology their proper platform. So un momento, and I'll be right back.
I will always feel something. I will